Bing bong. Bing bong. Hello. Welcome. Welcome back. Been waiting on this day for a minute now. So, yeah, I've been waiting on this day for a while. You know, early in the morning. Just got a little mimosa drinker. Resurrection Porsche is coming home. Woo! That's right, on my way to Denver right now. Pick it up from the VPC. It's been almost 2 weeks since I was supposed to pick it up. So, hopefully there's no damages. It was in pristine condition when it was dropped off. So hopefully no damages. And then we'll be taking that road trip back to Utah. They're not ready. No. Whew. So I don't know if y'all heard me in that last video. I was in a Sky Mile club, you know, doing Sky Mile things. But hey, right now, I just landed in Denver. The plane was late. My appointment's at 1. The plane landed at 11:55. Got in the Uber. I'm in the Uber now, 12:30. So hopefully we get there in time. Like I said, hopefully there's no damage in this thing. But if you didn't hear earlier, I'm in Colorado. Spawn the Resurrection Porsche is ready for pickup. That's what I got. That's what we'll see. Whew. All right, we made it. Cover up the mic at the Vehicle Processing Center, otherwise known as the VPC. Let's see if Spawn is ready for me.
It's dead? You gotta jump out real fast.
hello. Woo! That's right. You see it? Welcome. Welcome back. We are currently in the Resurrection Porsche. I just filled up. See that? We had Sam Lamb. That's right. Got whatever, however you want to say it. Gassed up. Oh man. Let me start covering that mic up. Gassed up, ready to go. Utah. That's the next stop. Denver's been real. It's been fun. It's been real fun. Needs a wash, but I'm not really gonna wash it until I get to Utah. That's right. We headed up northwest. West. We're headed west. We're headed west. All right. We reached a cruising speed of 70 miles, 72, 75. I'm not speeding. I'm not in a rush. Yo, but check this out. I don't know if y'all can see. I hope you can. There's some damn hot air balloons. Yo, I think we're gonna see a lot of dope stuff. The mountains are that way, back that way. But I've been on the road for about 15 minutes now, making good time. Oh man, what is this? All traffic. Whew. Just filled up. Man, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. This sucks. This drive, excuse me. So far, this drive is boring AF. I mean, it's fun. Like, I get to whip a little bit, I get to hit a little bit, but I'm trying to save gas. So but there's not. We've been driving for like 2-3 hours, 2 hours, and this is the first time I saw a gas station. I was a little bit above half a tank. I was like, you know what? I'm not even gonna play this game. I'm gonna fill up. Cause can you imagine being stranded in? Come on. But I probably won't be talking to y'all again until I'm in Utah because there's nothing to see. I did pass a train. That's like some of the most excitement. Y'all, this is rough. This is hard. I'm Red Bulling it up. Oh, you know we got to keep it with the LLTV merch, you know, at all times. Woo. But I had to pull over. But when I did pull over, look what I saw. Classic Porsche right there. Porsche, I'm sorry, classic though. And the guy told me he has another one on a trailer over here, two old school classics. This sucks, man. This is not fun. Like, so I'm not hot dogging, I'm not driving fast just because I haven't driven this car hasn't been driven that long, and probably like over a year. You know what I mean? So I've just been taking it easy. Don't know the roads, so I don't know the bumps. I got it lifted up all the way. Just being careful, but gosh dog, man, it's Utah, are you ready? Because I'm ready. I think I got about 3 more hours to go. Turn this thing on. Excuse me. Sorry. So check this out. We got the 09 right there. I can't remember what year this is, but it's a classic. Can y'all see that? I don't know if you can see that. I don't know how good that was, but you see what it is. And then, now this is a treat. This is a real treat. Another classic.
Is there a pandemic?
Right here.
This is a yeah. I know.
Look at that. This is dope. With the wing there. The thing, look, I'll be honest. The thing I really like about these is they're timeless. I put it in the category of a timeless car. You know what I'm saying? Doesn't matter what year. They're just so cool, man. And I'm not gonna lie, I took that away, like, wait, because this is classic. Like, original rims is classic. This is cool, but I like classic, so I guess that means we got to get another one and not touch it. But I can, man. I just got to touch these cars. Silverback is just itching for something. Nah. No, I think that's dope. Random too. Like we just pulled over because I was tired and I was like, I need to just get out and do something. And so that's what we did. And it just so happened we got a little treat. That's probably gonna be the highlight of the trip. Look at this. Look at this. Middle of nowhere. So I think I got about another 30 minutes in me, and then we're gonna hit it. This is so boring, y'all, but that was cool. That was cool to see. Whew. And just like that, oh, I am back. Utah. Spawn has arrived. Oh, it was a good trip. Overall, it was a good trip. I stopped in Hush now. I stopped. A lot of people, a lot of thumbs up, a lot of positive reactions. It was all good, man. It was a good trip. The only bad thing is, like, I think the wing, from moving so much, you know, doing this job, I cracked the base a little bit. Easy fix. Bondo, whatever. We're gonna take care of it. My man did good. Rolled in nice. I was a little worried because that's the longest I've ever driven this car, ever, since I've owned it. And then you gotta think it sat for a couple months. I didn't get an oil change. I literally just went, got it, drove around Denver a little bit, and then drove it straight 8 hours. With the stops, it took about 9, 10, you know, no rush. We just cruised on in. It was a good trip, though. Great trip. I'm proud of the car. I'm proud of the project. And I'm really proud for what we're about to do in Utah. Hey, look, you see I'm rocking the, go ahead, lltv.myshopify.com. 2 L's, 1 love. Stay tuned. Keep your peace. And just like that, Utah